And I think this is why these have such stigma about them, because you had unscrupulous loan officers saying, hey, the older you are, the more you can borrow, right? Well, you have a 65-year-old say and a 70-year-old. Well, we're only going to have the 70-year-old as the actual borrower, and you can borrow more against your house, right? So they put the 70-year-old as the only borrower. Well, then what happened when the 70-year-old borrower passed away? What happened to that 65-year-old spouse? They got foreclosed on. There were no protections. So that's why the way that they're structured nowadays is, even if the spouse is under 62, they are protected. They can still live in the home. They use the married person. If you're eligible for the deferral period, meaning you're married when they get the reverse, you occupy it as your primary, and you're married when the borrower passes, then you're eligible. You can live in the home without ever having to make a payment. They pay the taxes, insurance, HOA, maintain the property, and they send something in every year saying, hey, this is still my primary. So if they're too young or they have derogatory credit, something like that, to keep them from being a borrower, they could still be a protected spouse.